Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I want to talk about my key target for the JASMY crypto token here in the short to midterm, and also as well when this bull market fully kicks off and we do see all-time highs for not just JASMY, but Bitcoin and the entire market class that is cryptocurrency as a whole. Stick around to the end on this one because there has been some very interesting things that have happened over the last few days, and it is looking very good for JASMY, and I want to give you guys my target and what comes next. So smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in, guys. Now, if you guys want to trade JASMY, check it out. There's a link for you guys to sign up for Blowfin in the comment section, pinned for you and in the description. You can leverage trade it on Blowfin. You can also buy it on the spot market on this exchange. No KYC required. Called Blowfin. So check it out if you haven't done so already. But here's the thing I want to highlight for you guys today. Bitcoin has been coming up. Bitcoin dominance is now at 55%, which means 55% of all the money invested in cryptocurrency is currently in Bitcoin, which is even more so than it was just the other day because we saw some presidential candidates speak at the Bitcoin conference in Nashville, as I spoke about in my video earlier today. But if you look at the last 7 days and look at what the top gainers are, today I want to highlight that JASMY is up here towards the top, as is Caspa. I did a video on Caspa earlier, but JASMY is slightly ahead. Now, these are two very trendy tokens, but I want to focus on JASMY today. JASMY has a potential ton of upside. Looking at a $1.5 billion market cap, my friends, and looking at the total market cap for cryptocurrency, which is currently sitting at $2.45 trillion, we have a new all-time high that we are still waiting to see for this overall market cap. And we are potentially going to see a $10 trillion market cap for crypto, which means $7 trillion are going to flow in. And the smaller the market cap for a crypto and the more popular it is, the more chance that it can get multiple X's in terms of gains on its money, a 2X, a 5X, a 10X, whatever it might be. Now, I think JASMY can well over 10X in this bull market. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit more. $1.5 billion market cap, relatively small compared to what you've got for Bitcoin, which is a $1.2 trillion market cap for Bitcoin alone. Bitcoin's headed up in July because of the exciting news we've seen, and there is a chance, as I was talking about earlier, that we could see a $200,000 to $400,000 Bitcoin in this bull market, which is a 4x or more for crypto and Bitcoin specifically from here. And altcoins typically trade higher than Bitcoin. Bitcoin makes good gains, then an altcoin, especially a popular altcoin, could outperform Bitcoin typically. Now, that's not going to happen until this overall market cap breaks out, but let's look at some of the key targets. Now, we are looking at the weekly candles for JASMY here. What we saw play out recently, and we exactly predicted this price action in the past, we saw this wedge playing out for JASMY. I said, okay, if we break out to the upside of this wedge, our level could be around this, 4.5, 4.4 level. We broke out exactly to that zone. And I then said that we could come back down and retest basically the breakout point from this wedge, which we did exactly. And then I also said we could get a bounce off this wedge, which we've done, and our next level would be the 4.9 cent level. Now, what is going to happen next? Are we going to go to this 0.049 cent level? Well, I do believe that we can. The main reason is because recently, yesterday, Donald Trump came out and he announced that he wants to make Bitcoin a strategic reserve asset for the United States government. Coming out after Robert F. Kennedy Jr. also said the same. This is more bullish sentiment from presidential candidates that we've ever seen in the history of the world. And Bitcoin is back up close to its previous 2021 all-time high and could break out to new highs soon. Now, if Bitcoin does break out to new all-time highs soon, JASMY is going to continue to rip as well. And my first key level is this 0.04 cent level, right? This is 4.9 cents is what it is. This can happen rather quickly. Now, after that, JASMY could easily, in my opinion, if the overall market cap surpasses $3 trillion, guys, we could easily see an 8x for JASMY to 32 cents in a hurry. And at some point in this bull market, there is a good chance we could see a 5.2 cent level. But in the immediate short term, or excuse me, a $5 price level potentially in the future, and maybe the best case scenario for this bull run. Could we go higher than that? Maybe. It could happen. A lot of cryptos break through their previous all-time highs. Many cryptos do touch their previous all-time highs and get stuck. So taking profit before $5, in my opinion, would be wise. That's not financial advice, but it's just something that I've been thinking about lately. I want to share with you guys. But the most important level in the short term is 4.8 cents, 4.9 cents. Sure, we could get up to this 34-cent level, but we're going to have to break through this 5-cent level first. We're going to really have to have a decisive breakout past it, and then probably a retest of this level, honestly. Probably something like this where it kind of breaks through and test back. Actually, it wouldn't break that high. It would probably like break through, test back down, and then maybe do something like that. Probably see some resistance at 30 cents. Could even get a test back down. You never know how it's going to play out before taking a chance at, $5 or $6. We'll see how it shakes out. But keep an eye on this 4.9 cent level. The key is Bitcoin, my friends. Bitcoin's looking great today. Yesterday, we had a slightly red candle. If this daily candle in the next 2.5 hours turns green, I think we could break through the previous all-time high at 69,000, possibly break through the top of this wedge at 70,000, and attempt to break through 73,800, our newest and most brand new all-time high for Bitcoin. But it's going to be hard to break through that. I think we're going to do it before the end of 2024. I'm very confident in that personally. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments down below. But it could take a little bit before we just absolutely break through, right? Maybe August, we're going to test it. Possibly even in the end of July here, we could test it. But I don't think we shatter directly through. We could. We absolutely could. If we did, Jasmy would absolutely be ripping. Probably blow right past 4.9 cents and maybe even then just make its move up towards 10 cents or heck, maybe even towards that 30-cent level that I think we have to really get towards here. Maybe even before the end of 2024. So we'll keep an eye on it, guys, but I want to give you guys an update on that today. Again, if you want to trade this token, you can check it out. Signing up for Blowfin. It's pinned in the comment section for you guys, and it is also in the description of this video. A great leverage trading platform, a great place to buy with very low fees if you want to check it out. But that's all I have for you guys in this one. This news over the weekend was very bullish with the presidential candidates coming out and speaking about crypto, probably giving Bitcoin the momentum that it needs to make its next leg up to end the month of July green, hopefully, and have a very bullish fall to end 2024. That would send the altcoins like Jasmy up. Very exciting, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out, guys. As always, don't forget to DCA HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all. See you next time.